transistor to the resistor and connect the resistor to the collector. So you connect to the, you just have to connect the base of the transistor with the resistor and connect the collector to the resistor. Now you're gonna need a capacitor. I'm using a 47 millifarad capacitor, but you can use any value. You're gonna plug in the, this is the positive of the capacitor, this is the negative of the capacitor. You plug in the capacitor like this. The positive goes to the base, and the ground, the negative goes to the input of the audio input. So you're gonna plug, I'm gonna plug in like this. Then you're gonna need an audio jack. This one is the left and right, I've joined them together. This one is the ground. So you're gonna need to plug in the audio input, the positive or the audio positive, the capacitor, the negative capacitor. Then you plug in the ground of the audio input to the emitter of the transistor. You're gonna need a loudspeaker like this one. This one here, this loudspeaker. You can use inside. You're gonna wait. So I have jumpers. These jumpers, I'm gonna connect to the negative jumper here, and the positive. Forget the negative of the speaker, the loudspeaker right here. You're gonna connect it to the collector. So you're gonna take this and I'm gonna connect it to the collector. Then you're gonna have a power source like this one. I'm using an 8-volt power source. You can use any. You can use 8 volts or 12 volts, but I recommend you to use 12 volts because it's good. The one I'm using 8 volts. Then the positive of the power source should be connected to the speaker. Then the negative of the speaker should be connected to the collector. Then the negative of the power source should be connected to the emitter. Then after that, our circuit is done. I'm gonna test it. Now I'm gonna plug in my power source and see what happens. It's working.